Hey guys, and welcome to another new video where today we're going to be talking about all the notations in a 3x3 cube. So let's start. Firstly, these are all the notations which are needed for like the basic cube solving. So we're going to start with, we have U, R, L, F, D, B, and M. All the others below, which is the middle row, is going to be the ones that are the opposite of that. So we're going to start with U. U means up, R right, L left, F front, D down, B back, and M middle. So we're gonna go do this in the video, and U2 R2, the ones with twos, means doing the same step twice. So let's start. First we have the cube, a normal cube like this. So firstly we're gonna be starting with the doing R and R prime. So taking it up is R, down is R prime. L is going down, L prime is up. And F is clockwise front, F prime is anti-clockwise front. B is going to be the opposite of F, so the B is going to be anti-clockwise, B prime clockwise. And that's another F if you need that. U and U prime. U is going to be to the left and U prime to the right. Then D is going to be the opposite of U, which is going to be D is going to go to the right, D prime to the left. M means middle, which M means going down. And M prime means going up. So now we're going to do a simple algorithm which most people use, which is R, U, R prime, U prime. And now we're going to do the other ones. Now R2 means doing the right side twice. It doesn't matter which way you do it. If you do it to the left or the right, it's the same. And we have U2 and D2. And you can just do it again to like undo it. And then F2, which is going to be the front twice. It doesn't matter, as I said, which side, clockwise or anti-clockwise. And then we have M2 and M2 again to put them back into place. It doesn't matter what like anti-clockwise or clockwise you, it's still gonna be the same thing. So just like simple algorithm, you can actually solve them with those. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something and have a great time. Thank you.